My stomach is upset today. نن می معده خراب ده. My stomach is upset today. I am getting nervous. زه یریږم. I am getting nervous. I am getting late. په ما ناوخته کیږي. I am getting late. Don't stretch the matter. خبر اوږدوه ما. Don't stretch the matter. What did you say? تاسو څه ووی؟ What did you say? I was not tired at all. زه د سره نه وم ستړی. I was not tired at all. Take it easy man. رور په قلاره. Take it easy man. She calls me over and over. هغه بار بار ما ته فون کوي. She calls me over and over. Help me. مدد می وکا. Help me. Go there. هلته لاړ شه. Go there. Don't do it. دا مکوه. Don't do it. Don't shout. چغې مه وهه. Don't shout. امیر is not at home. امیر کور کې نشته. امیر is not at home. Take it easy. په قلاره. Take it easy. Stop the car. موټر ودروه. Stop the car. Get down from the car. د موټر نه راکوز شه. Get down from the car. Get in the car. موټر ته وخیژه. Get in the car. Sit on the scooty. په سکوټر کېنه. Sit on the scooty. Meet me in a while. لږ ساعت پس ما سره میلاو شه. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ. لږ ساعت پس ما سره ملاقات وکړه. Meet me in a while. He is so skinny. هغه ډیر نری دی. He is so skinny. He is so fat. هغه ډیر موټا دی. He is so fat. After you. ستا نه پس. After you. Pick up the phone. فون اوچت کا. Pick up the phone. Wear the helmet. helmet په سر کا. Wear the helmet. Which one do you want? کوم یو ته غواړې. Which one do you want? Obey the traffic rules. د ټریفیک قوانین پابندي وکړئ. Obey the traffic rules. Do not ride the bike fast. بایک تیز مه چلوه. Do not ride the bike fast. I am with you. زه ستا سره یم. I am with you. Where to go? کوم ځای ته تللی دي. Where to go? یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ. چېرته تللی دي. Take me to the museum. ما عجایبګر ته بوځه. Take me to the museum. Feed the dog. سپي له خوراک ورکه. Feed the dog. The dog is barking. سپی غاپي. The dog is barking. He runs very fast. هغه ډیره تیزه منډه وهي. He runs very fast. What an idea. کوم سوچ دی. What an idea. I will work from tomorrow. زه به د سبا نه کار کوم. I will work from tomorrow. I am coming from Lahore. زه د لاهور نه را روان یم. I am coming from Lahore. The name of the dog is Shadow. د سپي نوم شیډو دی. The name of the dog is Shadow. Hold it. دا ونیسه. Hold it. I am taking money out from wallet. زه د بټوې نه پیسې راوکاږم. I am taking money out from wallet. Do you need money? آیا ستا پیسو ته ضرورت شته؟ Do you need money? What did you do? تا څه وکړو؟ What did you do? Don't hide. پټوه ما. Don't hide. I went there once. زه یو پیره هلته تللی وم. I went there once. By mistake, this cup is broken. په غلطۍ سره دا پیاله ماته شوې ده. By mistake, this cup is broken. Come down quickly. زر راکوشه. Come down quickly. It is my mistake. دا زما غلطی ده. It is my mistake. I made a mistake. ما نه غلطی وشوه. I made a mistake. My mistake. زما غلطی. My mistake. I admit my mistake. زه خپله غلطی منم. I admit my mistake. No matter. هیڅ خبره نه ده. No matter. Get into my car. زما په موټر کې کېنه. Get into my car. He isn't worth it. هغه د دې لایق نه دی. He isn't worth it. It was useless. دا بیکاره و. It was useless. I will think about it. زه به په دې باره کې سوچ وکم. I will think about it. We will bring new. مونږ به نوی راوړو. We will bring new. Don't show up too much. ډېر ځان مه ښیه. Don't show up too much. I will come in a while. زه به لږ ساعت کې راشم. I will come in a while. Close the door. دروازه بند کا. Close the door. Open the door. دروازه کولاو کا. Open the door. It is a little expensive. دا په بیه کې لږ ګران دی. It is a little expensive. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.